I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop Google Chrome from asking you to save passwords. Not everyone wants their passwords to be saved by Google Chrome. Thankfully, if you find Chrome's password saving feature and the constant pop-ups to be annoying, you can easily turn it off. Now let's walk through the steps to stop Google Chrome from asking you to save passwords. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome web browser and then click the vertical ellipses icon to the right of the address bar next to your profile icon at the top of the screen. A drop-down menu is displayed. Step 2. Click Settings in this menu. Your Google Chrome settings screen is shown. Step 3. Click Autofill in the list of options on the left side of the screen. Autofill options are displayed on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Click Password Manager in the list of options. You'll land on the Password Manager screen. Step 5. Click to turn off the toggle associated with Offer to Save Passwords. Google Chrome will no longer prompt you to save passwords going forward. Additionally, if you have already saved passwords in Google Chrome, they will still be there after you turn off password saving. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.